Welcome to the third lesson of the Beginner's Tax course. In this lesson, we will explore the roles of different tax authorities such as the IRS in the United States and educate you about your rights and responsibilities as a taxpayer and a tax preparer. Understanding the functions of tax authorities and your rights and obligations will help you navigate the systems more effectively. So the first thing is tax authorities. Tax authorities are government agencies responsible for administrating and enforcing tax laws. In the United States, the primary tax authority is the Internal Revenue Service, IRS. So here's an overview of the roles and responsibilities of the IRS. The IRS is a federal agency under the Department of the Treasury responsible for collecting taxes and enforcing tax laws in the United States. Key functions are collecting taxes. The IRS collects various federal taxes including income tax, payroll tax, estate tax, and excise tax to fund government operations. Enforcing tax laws. The IRS enforces tax laws by conducting audits, investigating, and enforcing actions to ensure compliance with tax regulations. And also we have providing taxpayer assistance. The IRS offers taxpayer services including tax return processing, taxpayer education, and assistance with tax-related inquiries and issues. So they also help tax preparers and taxpayers, right? They're not only here to look for audits or anything, but they can help you. There's a phone number that you can call and they assist you with your tax return, or if you have any questions, they're there to help also. So the next thing we have is taxpayer rights and responsibilities. As a taxpayer, you have certain rights and responsibilities when it comes to fulfilling your tax obligations. It's essential to understand these rights and responsibilities to ensure compliance with tax laws and protect your interests. Here's what you need to know. Taxpayer rights, so we have right to representation. You have the right to be represented by a qualified rep, such as a tax professional during dealings with the IRS, right? And so that's where you come in as a tax professional. Rights to privacy and confidentiality. Your tax information is protected by law and the IRS is prohibited from disclosing your personal and financial information without your consent. And also, you have a right to appeal IRS decisions. If you disagree with an IRS decision or assessment, you have the right to appeal and seek a fair resolution through the IRS appeals process. Rights to quality service. You have the right to receive prompt, courteous, and professional assistance from the IRS when seeking information or assistance with tax matters. So now we have taxpayer responsibilities. So the first thing we have is filing requirements. You are responsible for filing accurate and timely tax returns, reporting all income, deductions, and credits, and paying any taxes owed by the due dates, right? Everyone has to file taxes, and here for the income tax, it's April 15th usually. They might add a few days, but usually it's April 15th, so everyone needs to file their taxes by that due date. Also, we have record keeping. You must maintain adequate records and documentations to support the information reported on your tax returns, including receipts, invoices, and financial statements. Payment of taxes. You are required to pay any taxes owed to the IRS in full and on time, including estimated tax payments or self-employed individuals and certain taxpayers. And lastly, we have compliance with tax laws. You must comply with all applicable tax laws and regulations, including reporting requirements, disclosure obligations, and filing deadlines. So in conclusion, understanding the roles of tax authorities like the IRS and your rights and responsibilities as a taxpayer is essential to navigating the tax system effectively and fulfilling your tax obligations. By knowing your rights, fulfilling your responsibility, and seeking assistance when needed, you can ensure compliance with tax laws and protect your interests as a taxpayer. And that's very important because you will be dealing with a lot of taxpayers, and you need to know that because we are all taxpayers in the United States, and you'll be able to help people to not be scared of the IRS, to not worry, right? Because it's a simple process. You'll take care of everything for them. So the more you know about how the system works, how easy for you to sell yourself as a service, and also how to do the job right. I'll see you guys on the next video.